Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making lemon quinoa salad with shrimp. So I've already cooked my quinoa according to the package, and I've also cooled it completely in the refrigerator. For the dressing, I'll be using the zest and juice of 3 lemons, shaved parmesan cheese, capers, olive oil, arugula, kosher salt, and black pepper. So I'm just using this shaved parmesan cheese, and it just looks like this. Perfect. That is amazing. Now I need to start on the shrimp. So here's my shrimp already peeled and deveined. And I'm just gonna arrange them in one layer. And then I'm just gonna drizzle with olive oil. All right, now I'm just gonna put the shrimp in the oven. And I'm just gonna let those cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, the shrimp looks amazing. So I'm just gonna refrigerate these now to let them cool, but if you wanted to, you could actually just serve this warm over the quinoa salad. Either way, it would be great, it's just up to you. All right, now I'm just gonna plate the dish. And ta-da! Lemon quinoa salad with shrimp. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see when I post a new video. Have a delicious rest of your day.